Salicylic acid is known for being one of the acne's biggest enemies. But what is salicylic acid? How does it work in the skin? And what are the best ways to use in skincare? Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxyic acid, otherwise known as BHA. It's one acid in the group of compounds. In skincare, it is originally derived from the bark of plants such as willow and meadowsweet. The structure of salicylic acid is important because it makes it more oil soluble and able to penetrate the skin. Salicylic acid is a perfect skin ingredient for oily skin type who struggle with blackheads, blemishes or acne due to the fact that it can penetrate through the lipid layers and work from the inside out. How does salicylic acid work within the skin? Salicylic acid exfoliates the skin by dissolving the bonds that holds the dead skin cells to the skin surface. It is oil soluble, so it is able to penetrate the pore and exfoliate deeper within the skin. It also helps stimulate cells turnover and improve the skin texture while regulating the excess oil production. Salicylic acid is suitable for any type of breakouts. Salicylic acid is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, helps fight inflammation and discoloration in the skin. The maximum strength available over the counter of salicylic acid is 2%. Salicylic acid as an ingredient is found in skincare cleansers, exfoliants, serums, moisturizers. Salicylic acid, when found in exfoliants, can be used as a serum, as a chemical exfoliant. Salicylic acid works most effectively on the skin as a leave-on serum treatment underneath your moisturizer, as it has time to work within the skin. There are many facial cleansers on the market that contain salicylic acid. However, are formulated with a lower percentage of salicylic acid of 0.5% to 1%. Cleansers are not on your skin for any longer than 1 minute. So, the salicylic acid within the cleansers does not have much time to allow your skin to reap the full benefits of the ingredient. For oily skin types, salicylic acid can be used daily. Here are the best serum that contains salicylic acid that deliver the results. The ordinary salicylic acid 2% solution. It is a leave-on light formulation to remove a buildup of dead skin cells and clog the pore. It is an excellent spot treatment that can be applied to your concerned blemishes or for oily acne-prone skin types can be used as a serum all over every other day to get a clear refined complexion.